These are some more gems, important things. Gold get recognized when it is cut, cleaned, and burnt. Modest man should recognize through their nature, and sage is recognized through his behavior, and brave man being adversity and the people who friends, and for the time of gross adversity. So likewise, you should know who you go with. You can see by cutting through them, you can see what is the problem. So when a person get a recognition, how he acts, you should check them. When a sage can be recognized with their behavior, you give everything, you give him authority, you respect him, how he behaves. With it. A brave man being adverse, a brave man during adversity, when a big problem comes out, how a brave man attaching, how he is solving it. You can examine them by the way you can understand them. The people, others, whether friend and foe, at the time of gross adversity. When other people, when you have a problem, how your friends, other people, and your enemy act to it. Even the enemy may be a good friend. When you have a problem, how he is seeing through it, you should observe these things too, so that you can be cautious. Old age destroys beauty, so beauty is temporary. Temptation destroys patience. If you're tempted to something, the patience there will be no patience. Greed spoils the malicious person, spoils the malicious person. So even someone is so greedy, they will go do adharma. Anger destroys wealth. So one person wealth has been destroyed only by anger. If a person is too calm, he can control the wealth. One's good nature so as a result of serving the weaker. So if you join or serve with the wicked person, you will too become a wicked person. Lust destroys shame. If you're too lustful, don't have shame. Don't have any shame. You'll do whatever you want. You'll become animal. Ego destroys everything. You think ego, I am that, I am this. If you think that, it will destroy everything. You won't be there. You will lose everything if you have ego. So voltage destroys beauty, temptation destroys the patience, and greed will spoil the malicious man. Anger destroys the wealth and one's good nature. When you serve a wicked person, you will destroy your good nature. And lust will destroy the shame, and ego destroys everything. Never eat alone. Always eat with something, someone. Don't eat alone. Have two, three friends and eat. Celebrate and travel alone. Celebrate alone. Don't celebrate with two, 3%. If you want to celebrate something, you win something, go alone and enjoy. Travel alone. Don't join and travel. Go alone to travel. Do not keep awake when all are sleeping. Do not keep awake. When everyone is sleeping, you sleep with them. Don't be awake. Poison can kill one person. Divulgence of a confidential secret kills the entire nation. What is this? It's a very important point. So important document you have, important things you have. If a person leaks that very important things, your secrets that can kill your whole nations and whole family. So your secret should be secret. Your secret plan should never be revealed to anyone. Family man is not attached to effort and work, and sannyasins attached to worldly matters ruin themselves. What do you think? The family man not attached to effort and work. Family man should be working hard and you should put more effort to earn more. If he do so, he will win. If he don't do any effort and work, he won't succeed. Same time, sannyasi. If you think you want to worldly attach, I want to that, he won't attach the enlightenment. So family man should work hard and effort. Giving money to undeserving people, it's not giving to deserving people or easiest way to waste money. What I'm saying, you want to give money to people too. Whether you want to give money to everyone, no. The people who is deserving, who is not deserving, categorize into two. And even though you get punya from devoting, why don't you give something? You get punya to whenever you give something. Why don't you give that get punya only by filtering who need that? Go and give to everyone. Wait, someone with a need will come. To them you give. If not, don't give. We can wait. Punya will increase when you have that money to give to someone worthy full. Don't give to a person who is not worthy. Yogi gain mastery by yoga practice, and warrior fighting to the end of war reaches heaven. So, heaven, who can reach it? Yogi can also reach it, warrior can also reach it. Why warrior can reach it? As per the yogas, a person, warrior who fight till the end, if he fight, he will reach heaven. And the yogi practicing yoga, he can reach heaven. Only by practicing yoga and fighting till the end, a person can reach heaven. Heaven. Fool uninvited interferes in others' domain. Um, don't go inside others' domain and interfere with that work. That will brings you new problems. Neglect his own responsibilities. Never neglect your own responsibility. Fool will only neglect his own responsibility. You have a work, you should do it. Completely do it. Don't care about others. Always makes others scapegoats of his failures. So he will say, "You are the reason I failed." Fools only say that. He who is not a fool, don't say this failure of him on the other side. He will take responsibility of it and he will rectify it by way. That is thing. So these are the thoughts of Vituraniti. This is a small thing. A larger things is coming soon. Thank you for listening to it.